A lot of people ask me, do I go to trial on an accident case? The answer is probably not. Very few cases are litigated. In fact, I would tell you that 5% of our accident cases actually end up in litigation, and maybe 0.5% of those actually go to trial. Most accident cases settle. The most important thing that you have to do to make sure it settles is to treat it like it's going to go to trial. The way you do that is you get a competent attorney involved to make sure they document your injury through doctor's notes and testimony. They document the damage to your vehicles, and they do whatever is necessary to make your case more powerful. For instance, it may be that we need to get witnesses, we may need to get experts, we may even have to get what's called an IME, which stands for independent medical examination. Anything we can do to show that your case has merit and show that your case has greater value. So the answer to whether you go to trial is dependent on so many factors. For instance, if you're injured terribly bad and there's a big policy, there's a very good chance it could go to trial, or it will be worked up to go to trial. But again, most cases that are done correctly will not go into the courtroom. They will be settled short of actually going before a jury. So it's important that you get an attorney who knows what they're doing and try their best to not get the case to trial. And another reason not to go to trial is there are more expenses, there's obviously more attorney's fees, and so those are things that you really don't want to do unless you have to. So rely on your attorney to advise you correctly.